5 things every new business owner must know. Hey there, cleaning business owners. If you're just starting out, you might be excited to land your first client. But before you do, there are 5 critical things you need to know to avoid costly mistakes and set your business up for long-term success. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down the biggest mistakes new cleaning business owners make and how to avoid them so that you can start strong and scale your business the right way. So before we dive in, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video on building a successful cleaning business. Now let's get started. Now, let me introduce myself. My name is Karen Denton. I'm your KSC bidding consultant, and we're going to talk about 5 things you need to know before you start your first client. Now, the first thing you need to know is know your pricing. The first mistake new businesses make is underpricing. Many new business owners set prices too low just to get the clients, but then that can put you out of business fast. And I tried that at the beginning. Don't do that. So you must calculate all costs: labor, including taxes and insurance, cleaning supplies and equipment, gas and travel expenses, your overhead, marketing, admin work, etc. Now, pro tip: start with a simple pricing formula: cost of labor plus expenses plus profit margin equals your final price. Always aim for at least a 20 to 40% profit margin to keep your business sustainable. And, and make sure you get legal and insurance set up. Protect yourself before you take your first client. You need to register your business, whether you're a LLC, a sole proprietorship, or a corporation. Get a business license. Each state has different requirements, so you have to find out what's required in your state. General liability insurance is a must to protect against damages. If hiring employees, you need workman's comp insurance. Now, pro tip: even if you're working solo, insurance is important. One mistake, like knocking over a client's expensive item, can cost you big time if you're not covered. Have a contract in place. Never start a job without a written agreement. A contract protects you both, you and the client. Clearly outline, and I say this all the time: scope of work. Clearly outline the scope of work, what's included and what's not, pricing and payment terms, cancellation policies. You need to have these things in place. Liability and damages. Pro tip: always collect a deposit or signed agreement before starting work. This avoids last minute cancellations or payment issues. Because first impression matters. Your first client is your first testimonial. Make it count. Show up on time and look professional. Wear a branded shirt. That would help. Communicate clearly and confirm expectations before starting. Go above and beyond. Small touches. Leaving a thank you card or extra service can turn a one-time client into a repeat customer. Ask for Google reviews and referrals after the job. Pro tip: your first few clients can become long-term contracts if you wow them from the start. And it's necessary that you invest in the right tools. The right equipment makes your job easier and faster. Don't buy cheap supplies. Invest in quality vacuums, mops, and eco-friendly products. And I really want to stress the eco-friendly products because if you try to use store-bought stuff, people will keep telling you they don't want you to use that, they don't want you to use this. So just use eco-friendly products. Have a dedicated cleaning kit with all essentials. Use time-saving tools like microfiber cloths and backpack vacuums. Pro tip: efficiency is key. Faster cleaning equals higher profits. Now you're ready to take your first client. All right, now that you know the 5 important things every new cleaning business owner needs to know, and I'll repeat, is set your pricings correctly, get legal and insurance in place, use contracts to protect yourself, make a great first impression, and invest in the right tools. So if this video has helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, drop a comment below. What's your biggest concern about starting your cleaning business? I love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And again, my links are in the description if you are interested in my ebook or the Clean Guru app. And if you want to connect with me, my website's on there as well. So I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I hope this helps someone. Have a blessed day.